Jeff, do you think China will consider changing its age limit of 20 years or less for importing used aircraft?
Well, we'll see. I mean, clearly this is an issue that everybody's looking at. 20 years for cargo aircraft is relatively young. I mean, we see Federal Express bringing aircraft into their fleet now that are, 20 years old or some more, and they'll be operating these aircraft for another 20 years. China is, the best we can get out of the CAC on this right now is it's on a case-by-case basis. There, in addition to aging aircraft, there are other factors that they weigh in their decision on importing an aircraft. One is the pedigree of the aircraft, how many previous operators operated the aircraft, and if there were too many, this is normally a reason why they would reject an aircraft. The other one is certain jurisdictions. If the aircraft had been operating in certain jurisdictions, that is another reason for rejecting the aircraft. But what is going to have to be reconciled over the next 15, 20 years is this growth demand, and comparing that to what's available as far as young aircraft. And at a certain point, the feedstock of aircraft in China, because aircraft in China are able to be grandfathered. So, for instance, SF Express, which is a 757 freighter operator, the aircraft that they've introduced into their fleet have been aircraft that were registered in China. They don't have to pay the import duties. They don't have to worry about bringing the aircraft into the Chinese registry since they're already on it. So the age doesn't matter as long as they keep it on the B registry. Precision Conversions, which is the conversion program that we use and SF uses as well, has a facility in China, in Xiamen, at Takeo. So effectively, an airline like SF can buy the aircraft in China, convert the aircraft in China, and it never leaves the country. And so that's one way that they can get around the age restrictions because they're not importing aircraft. That's fine. The problem is that if China keeps growing at 9.2% a year, the 50 757s that are existing in China, some of which are owned by Western lessors that will remove those aircraft from China market, are going to be depleted. And at that point, will the CAC relax these requirements for cargo aircraft as this growth begins to proliferate? So we'll see what happens, and time will tell.